In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install VLC on your computer. So whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, the process should be the same. So to download VLC and install it, first you need to go to any browser, then search VLC. And as you can see, you can download VLC Media Player from this website, videolearn.org. So go ahead and click on this to open. Now, one thing you have to note is that VLC is available for free, and you can just go ahead and download it and use it to play your music or to play all the videos of any kind, both MP3 and MP4. So as you can see, we have the download option here. All you can do is click on download. So I'll click on that, and then it will go ahead and open the version that is available. As you can see, we have version 3.0, and it has gone ahead and the download has begun. Great, and it is done. So to open and find it, just click on this folder icon. Then this will take us directly to where it was downloaded. And here it is under my downloads. Now, to install it on your computer, just go ahead and double click on it, or right click and then click on run as an admin. We shall have to select the language to install it now. So go ahead and click on OK. Of course, my language is English, so I'll leave it at that. If you are using another language, you can go as well and change it. Then here, go ahead and tap on next. Then scroll down and then agree to the terms of using VLC. If you have time, you can read the information about VLC, which is here. And once you're done, then go ahead and tap on next. So just leave this as it is and then go ahead and click on next. And then as you can see, it should show you the destination. If you want to change, you can go ahead and click on browse to change your location. But I'll just like to leave it as it is and then go ahead and install. In a short while, we shall see it on our desktop. The installation process is on. And don't worry, this takes just some few seconds and it should be done. Great, we are almost done. Now this is the final step. Make sure the Run VLC Media is checked and then go ahead and tap on Finish. And you are done. Now you can see we have VLC already available on our media. And here you can go ahead and start playing anything, whether video or audio, using VLC. So that's how you download and install VLC on your computer. Now anytime you have any track, you can just go ahead and tap on it and then click on play and then choose the media that you want. You can click here, play with VLC Media. Alternatively, you can go and make VLC default up so that whenever you click on any media, it will automatically play using VLC. So that's how you download VLC on your computer. If you want to know how to make VLC your default app, I've left the link down below. Go ahead and watch the video. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.